Hi, it's Keith. While doing some routine recycling, I discovered that someone filled the bin with a tent. Now I know if I leave it here, it's going to the landfill because you can't recycle tents in this bin. So let's have some fun with it. All right, see what we got. A little pole must be for the fly. Got 2 tent poles. Was that a shoestring? Some cordage. And 5 tent pegs. Looks like here's the fly. Let's see. Looks like it's a Quest tent. Looks like it's a 6-person tent. Sells for anywhere from $80 to $120. People, we gotta shop around. Let's find out what's wrong with it, why someone threw it away, and see if it's worth fixing. All right, found one problem. We got a split pole. And another piece that's broken. Fly's got a hole in it. Looks like it was an ember from the fire. There's a couple tears or holes in the bottom. That one looks like it's from heat. I don't know. Well, first things first, it smells like a recycle bin, so let's give it a wash. Do you think the fly is waterproof? No, it is not. All right, this cordage looks like they were trying something. Don't know what, but I don't think I need that. Shoelace, got enough of those. 5 tent pegs, probably not enough, but I'm sure I can find some more. This little pole for the fly looks to be in good shape. The elastic is still good. One of the tent poles seems to be okay. The elastic is holding up. It's this one that has the trouble. So we've got a split pole here and another broken section. First, we'll take apart the pole. There we go. One of the broken pieces. I've stretched out the cord, put a temporary knot to give me more to work with. Okay, it's all strung up. I can take my needle off, tie a new knot, remove my temporary knot. We should be good to go. Patching the last hole. Let's see how it camps. All set up. Nice lakeside campsite. Waiting for the full moon so I can go paddle. So I repaired all the holes, sealed the seams, added some guy wires to help it withstand the wind, and I camped in a 6-hour torrential downpour. So I can confidently say that this tent still has some camping left in it. I don't have a need for this type of tent, but I'm sure someone could use it. So I'm going to leave it here in case anyone needs it.